In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So firstly, before you do anything, you actually have to format your text correctly to ensure it works. So all you want to do is, whether you have something in like bigger text or anything, let's say I want this, what I want to do is make sure this is heading 1, so I want to apply heading 1 right here and make sure that is checked. Next thing you want to do for something like this, all I can go ahead and do is press heading 2, apply heading 2, and I would have to basically just go ahead and do this for any of the headings. So you basically just have to format your text. So I'm just going to do all of this, and then once you go ahead and do it for all of them, I'm just going to do it for the remaining ones real quick. You can also just highlight like different things and stuff and then do them at once, but I'm just going to do it one by one real quick. And then once you go ahead and do it, it's going to show that it's all done. It's all going to be matching and everything, which is exactly what you want. Then go to insert. Then you're going to see page elements like so, or you're going to see break firstly. Then just do page break, but you want to do it at the very top. So all I'm going to do is press insert, break, page break. Now I'm in an empty page. Press insert again, then go to page elements, and then you're going to see table of contents, and then you can do plain text, dotted, or links. So if I do plain text right there, as you can see, the table of contents is right there. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.